Good morning, everyone. So I woke up at 4 a.m. and it is now 6:25. We're gonna head to Aqua Verde Beach Resort. This is a trip that I delayed because I got sick last month. So really thankful that we get to do it this time around. And of course, I am with my Kaimu. Alam niya may beach today kasi kahapon pa lang sinabi ko na baba. You stay in your seat, ha? Naka-seatbelt ka na. Seatbelt ka na yung mommy. Yes, mama! I even brought the portable fridge to store Kaimu's food. So, finreeze ko yung food ni Kaimu and then naka-fridge ngayon. We're here at Aquatico for the antigen test.
Turn left on Aqua Verde Beach Resort.
Same as last time, rapid antigen. Dumating kami 9:15, so 2 hours and 45 minutes. So we had to go in. Last time kasi lumabas sila kasi kasama si Kaimu. But now, pwede na ipasok si Kaimu. It was a nice drive. Yung nga lang, pagpasok na ng ang hirap lang talaga kapag ang daming kasunod na or kaharap na super bagal na mga tricycle. Kasi kanina may, what do you call that? Monster truck. We're at the beach? You know the scent? We're at the beach! Oh my, mama! Oh my! So, si Aquatico is the resort right before Aqua Verde. So, kailangan talaga mag-stop dito because dito yung antigen test nila before you proceed to checking in. They gave me the envelope. It's negative daw. I mean, sinabi na before pa ibigay. Thank goodness. Baba, mama's negative. Yee! We're here. Next. Maaga kami, wala pa yung room. So, we're here at the beach. Allowed din yung water sports. I'm proud. Wow. Sitting here sa kabata muna. Oh, look at the sky. Bye-bye. Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, happy boy. Happy boy. Daw siya. Baba. What? No, Mom. So yung room namin, 12 noon pa, maliit yung available. So I decided to change into my swimwear. We're gonna swim na muna. Mommy's waiting for Mama in the restroom. Good boy. Hi. Swimming ka na? Life vest? Okay, it's all ready. This life vest. Ready na, bubo? Ready ka na mag-swim? Yeah? Ano yung nasa nose mo? Swim na kami ni Kaimu. breakfast for Kai. Yay! Our room is ready. Leftover for lunch na rice ni Kai. Hi, Baba! This is our room, and this is a different room from the one we usually stay in at. It's a bigger room. Tigsa kami ng kama ni Kai. But mainly, I booked this kasi gusto ko na ocean view or beachfront. O, diba? Hi, Mama! Sabi niya, Mama, bakit ako umiwan? Wait. Vlog ko lang. Yeah, so 2 beds. All my luggage nandito na. Nagmaleta ako for today. All electronics. Ito yung mga normal stuff. Yung ref, kailangan ko na isaksak. Yes, I'm gonna eat some fruit. We have a fridge. And then, kabilang side, meron tayong veranda also. So, may view tayo ng front desk. And then, this is there. Si Mumu. Wait lang. This is the restroom. Oh, so it's a little bit bigger. Nakatulog kami ni Kaimo dun sa dun. This is new. May closet sila na mas malaki. Bongga. Okay. Is this your room, baby? Oh, which is your bed? You choose na. Oh, that's your bed. Are you sure? Oh, you're so happy. Oh, be careful, huh? Other bed. Jump. Wow, galing. Another one. Baba. Sabi, hi, salamat. May aircon na. Are you hungry, my little monster? Monster. Up here. Oh my goodness. Jump. Okay. Good boy. Inspection. CR dito, Mom. Oh, you wait for your pee-pee pad, huh? Hop. We have the pet kit for Kaimo. Come on, Kaims. Check your kit. Open it. Anong laman? Oh my goodness. Wow, very nice towel. Perfect for your color, Baba. Shampoo. We have a little toy that I can't give him kasi it's too small. Baka mag-choke siya. This little boy, tapos na mag-shower, kailangan niya mag-nap. Kaso nakatingin siya sa labas kasi gusto niya makipag-play sa doggos. Later, babe, masyadong mainit, heat stroke ka, delikado. Okay, tulog muna. Kaya pa ako makain. So, I wasn't able to vlog, but I took Kaimo out for another swim session. Now he's all clean, and he's gonna sleep, okay? Hindi kami naka-vlog kasi hindi ako nagdala ng camera. But he swam a lot, and he's so happy. Now it's Mama's turn. Picture lang ako, okay? I'll be back. I love you. Mwah. It's the end of the day. Just here with I have my tessellate mat, weights, and my bag. My Ajumahat. People have been asking sa ako nabili to. Girl, from Baguio pa to. Katabi ng strawberry picking farm. So, and then meron siyang kasamang parang cap dito. And then if you want to wear it as a visor, just remove it. And it has a little bow. So cute. Got all my stuff. Matagal-tagal ko yung si Kaim iniwan. Ito yung room namin. Sure ako tulog siya. For sure. Going back to the room. Super cute, merong foot bath. Look at this. Sandok. Then you just clean your feet from any sand. Then, there we go. Ang convenient pag ito yung room kasi sobrang lapit lang. I mean, aakyat ka lang agad. Casa Brisa 511. I'm sure Kaimo knows I'm here na. We have, ang tawag dyan? Fire extinguisher. I will have breakfast here tomorrow. Beautiful view. We're gonna wake up at 5:30 to jog. I brought with me aloe vera na gel. I'm gonna put that all over my skin. Yeah. No makeup din kasi wala. Gusto mag-relax. Let's see. Casa Brisa. Knock knock. Go inside. Hi. Dinner. This is crispy. Ano yan?
Charlotte, bring this guy back.
I forget. Requested for a pot of hot water kasi I am going to have some tea. Ito yung dinala kong tea, lemon ginger from Landers.
Thousands.
Your Honor, we have no questions for Ms. Sutton. We thank her for her courage and her candor.
Unfortunately, some very serious illegal acts.
Not adding me to
Ordered
business,
a strawberry cheesecake for dessert.
everything about me
Yum.
and Ryan.